The modern world of manufacturing is a very challenging and complex industry. The demands for more rugged but lighter parts means that new materials, like composites, require new tools. These modern manufacturing challenges include, but are not limited to, perishable composite materials, custom tooling, extreme temperature and production, and real-time inventory management. To manage these new world challenges, advanced tracking methods using RFID bring visibility to the new world. Extreme RFID is enabling visibility in extreme environments, such as this application of a large defense and aerospace manufacturer of composite wings, utilized RFID for work-in-progress tracking and composite materials management. Xerafy microtags were placed on the bulk composite material, and OAT software provided a fully integrated process control solution that interfaced with their existing materials management and ERP system. The increasing need for extreme RFID in this application was extremely critical because we are tracking aerospace composite materials with a limited shelf life that had to be kept in freezer environments. In the fabrication process, RFID was utilized to track the product through the stages as well as tracking the tooling utilized for manufacturing. The payback for the tool tracking was cost savings with increased tool utilization, thus reducing duplicates and saving in man-hours for locating tools. Throughout the entire process, auditable timestamp records of check-in, check-out times would be maintained at the tag level. Among the most sensitive processes was managing the cure cycles through an autoclave. The Extreme Xerafy tag can survive up to 482 Fahrenheit and was able to capture the processing cycle of the autoclave to provide auditable processing records. One return on investment was easily achieved by a reduction in excess inventory and scrap, since all materials were tracked and easily verified to maintain quality during the production process.